What's up, you guys? It's your girl Malysia Samon, or you can call me Professor Slay, and welcome back to my channel where I teach the girls how to represent their best self and slay any day. And today I am definitely slaying in this bob, girl. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it, okay? Blunts, okay? Bob, okay? Cute, okay? Supernatural, like shake and go ain't the word, okay? I want to say thank you to LuvMe for sending me this bomb bob unit so that I can show you guys how to easily install it at home. Okay, this wig is glueless. This wig, I did not bleach the knots, okay? I did not bleach the knots, okay? And I did pluck a little bit, but that was completely optional. It's just because I'm a perfectionist. So yeah, glueless. I did use a little spray, but I didn't need it, and I'll show y'all that in the video. But if you're interested in getting this bob look, okay, keep watching. And if you want the wig, you just want to buy the wig now because it looks just so delicious, click the link in the description. But yeah, let's get into the video.
So here is my LuvMe box, and it came with some goodies. I wanted to show you guys the knots. They're super small, so you don't need to pluck, but the perfectionist that I am, I definitely did pluck the hairline, as you see here, and that middle part, just so I don't have to bleach the knots. I did not bleach these knots at all. Going on with my hot comb just to mold it, and here I am, bald head scallywag. This is the unit in all of its glory, just shaking, and look at that cut. They really did their thing, I must say. Alright, taking that glueless band and placing it in the nape. And flip the wig over my head. I do have a small head, and the wig fit pretty good. It could be a little bit bulky depending on how I laid it, but overall, I think that I got a good look. I got a lot of compliments while wearing this wig, and look at it go. I haven't even cut the lace yet, but here I am taking my razor and just tapping it to rip the lace. The key to making a glueless wig look seamless when it's glueless is to have a jagged edge so you can't tell a real harsh line of demarcation. So I'm just going in and just tap all the way across. Boom. I did go ahead and pluck just a tad more because I wanted it to look super natural. I did it on both sides. And that's it. Without any glue, any foundation, or anything like that. It looks good. So you could literally stop here. The wig is ready to go. But again, I like it just a tad more late. So I'm going in with my hot comb, and I burn myself like right there. And then I'm just laying it down and smoothing out the back on both sides. Smoothing out the back of the wig. Look at that. Nothing. No foundation or nothing. I have not tinted this lace, so. And boom. Looking good. So even if you don't know what you're doing, you could leave it just like that. But of course, I'm going in with my cream foundation and just tapping that on the top of my lace, just for an even, like, more seamless look. Then with an angle brush, I'm going down my part just to further cover any visible knots. But as you guys see, like, I didn't necessarily need it, but it looks pretty good. Then, so my wig doesn't move around on my head. Like I said, my head is a little bit small. I did take some even spray. I like the black can. The black can's the strongest can. A lot of people ask me that. The black can's just strongest. And I let it air dry while I tap the fronts in. And then I want to go ahead and style my hair. Straighten it out. So the hair's super silky. Super easy to style. I don't see this hair getting stiff ever. It is super silky, and I love how like jet black it is. It's like a very like dark color. It's darker than like the average natural color most wigs come. And here is the back, super clean cut, super natural looking, super cute.
Alright, y'all, so here's the finished look. You already seen it in the intro, but baby girl, let me tell you, this is some, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Y'all seen it, it's still moving, okay? Fresh out the pack, literally, fresh out, not the pack, the box, okay? The box. Y'all seen the box, okay? Boom, and it's thick, and it's just so like classy. I feel classy. I feel grown. I feel like I'm a missus. I mean, I am a missus, but I feel like Mrs. to you. Okay, period. But yeah, once again, shout out to LuvMe for sending me this unit. It is a bomb. Go and get it. Okay. And make sure when you get it, you're clicking the link in the description. Okay. Last but not least, keep slaying.